Hello and welcome to 7th grade math with Miss Bryant. This year, your child will be continuing their studies of New York State Common Core math curriculum. The district's chosen curriculum provider is Illustrative Mathematics, which is an online web-based resource. You can easily access this resource via Open Up Resources. Our math curriculum will be delivered electronically through Desmos, which is also a web-based tool, and Desmos is spelled Desmos. Desmos is a web-based tool that allows both students and teachers to interact with lessons remotely or in school. Google Classroom is used to communicate assignments, attendance, and links for Zoom classes. The New York State Common Core curriculum learning units that we will cover this year will be units 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Daily student expectations include a daily attendance question for math. Students also should check the Google Stream for classwork and assignments, and they should be using a pencil, notebook, and calculator to keep notes and to do incomplete assignments via student.desmos. Let's take a look at some of our resources. This is our Google Classroom. Depending on what period your student is in, your Google Classroom is going to look somewhat similar to what you see here. You'll have math, period, either 1, 4, 7, or 8, or remote learning. The first part of Google Classroom is a stream. This stream where you will see assignments as well as Zoom links posted daily, as well as the attendance question, which students have to complete daily by before midnight. The next part of our curriculum would be on Desmos. Your child should be able to access their Desmos account by Googling student.desmos, Desmos. At this point, what you will see is the student's name as well as the assignment. The assignments will include the objective as well as pre-work, which will get the student ready for what we will be learning. Usually it is a review of a concept that they learned in 6th grade or prior to 6th grade. After that, they will have an activity. This activity will be supported via myself on Zoom on Monday or Wednesday. Students should give it a try, and then I will walk them through the lesson and give them all the information they will need to complete the lesson. I won't give them all the answers in the lesson, but I will get them started. The next day, they are welcome to email me if they have any trouble, and I will then hold an additional Zoom session to answer questions. The Desmos activities provide many enriching activities which your students should be using in conjunction with their notebooks and a pencil as well as a calculator. All work should be shown on both their notebook as well as in Desmos. This should be completed, and when you look in your child or when your child shows you their Desmos activity, there should be work shown. I'll give you an example of what I see in Desmos. So as you can see, I can see our students' work. Many times the student has completed work successfully, or there are just blanks, okay? The next thing I would like to show you is just what you should be looking for when you'd like to take a look at what your child is doing. In Google Classroom, the assignment will be posted only. The student does not complete the assignment in Google Classroom. Your student will need to go to student.desmos, at which time they will click on the link. And at that time, you will be able to see what they have completed, whether it be a lesson or a practice. Open Up Resources, or Illustrative Mathematics, is the curriculum provider for New York State Common Core curriculum. If you Google openupresources.com, and then access the math curriculum, access curriculum, there are two links within the Open Up Resources website that will be helpful. The first one would be to click on 7th grade. And then access the family link and explore. This will give you helpful tools and information on the curriculum. So for example, we are in the process of completing Unit 1, Scale Drawings. If you click on Scale Copies, you will have helpful activities that your child can complete, which will be very what they are completing in Desmos. But there will be answers provided and review material as well as explanation. So for example, we have scale copies, review, scale drawings, and different problems as well as the answers. If you click on the student link, the student link will provide you the same view of the much of the material that I will provide the students in Desmos. So this is not necessary, but it can provide you a quick access to take a look at what we're doing. This is a very interesting time for both educators, students, and parents. We must work together so that in the end, students are successful, and most importantly, that they are able to acquire the knowledge that it is actually required for 7th grade math. I am available for students electronically to help them via Zoom, but it is extremely important that our students take responsibility for their learning, and on a daily basis that they edge out time in their schedules for school. That means getting up daily at a reasonable time, completing their attendance questions, taking out all the different resources that their different teachers for various subjects have required that they have, whether it be notebooks, calculators, books, and that they actually sit down at their kitchen tables or dining room tables or desks and go through and complete the assignments that teachers are providing. This will require a lot of discipline from our children. But I am confident that with your help as parents, as well as my support as their teacher, as well as the other teachers, that we can assist them at being successful. Success will require discipline as well as structure. I really recommend that students complete work without distraction. Please follow up, not just in Google Classroom, but actually looking as a parent, looking at the assignment. I certainly appreciate your time at looking at this open house video for 7th grade math, and I look forward to connecting with you at some point during the year. And I am already certainly enjoying and getting to know your students in exploring our 7th grade New York State Mathematics Common Core curriculum. Thank you and have a great day.